Welcome back, everybody. All right, today I thought interestingly, it would be to go over the difference, one of differences, a key difference between mother plants versus seedlings and what you'll tend to see. So let's get into it. Mother plant. This mother plant is a Gulf Stream. So the thing I'm going to discuss today is the difference in your flowers as far as from a mother plant to seedlings that you grow from a seed pod and cuttings. So I've said this before, I'm going to say it again. Cuttings from your original plant will be the same flower. Seedlings will not always look the same and sometimes can look drastically different, which I'm going to show you. Some pretty close. So let's get into it. Here's the mother plant's flower. As you can see, we have a lot of yellow. We have the striped pink on the edge with a white wash as it white washes out. This is what a Gulf Stream originally looks like. So you can see how the temp and we've had a lot of rain, so we've got a lot of flowers dropping. That tends to happen when you get a lot of rain. And you see how these have curled in. This one hasn't. It's just the heat, the time of day, everything changes. Still, color's the same. You're going to get this pinkish outer edge kind of fading into a white pink, and then you're going to have a yellow center, but a little also orange splash through that yellow. Smells awesome, very floral. However, that's what this video is about. So, mother plant flower. Now, let's go to the next one. Just want to interrupt the program real quick. Just say, everybody, thanks for watching. If you enjoy the content, I just ask anyone to please like and subscribe, just so trying to grow this channel and get it out to more people. And as everybody knows, that algorithm needs those things to happen. So thanks again for everyone that does watch, and thank you for everyone that subscribes. So back to the program. Ta-da! All right, seedling number 1. Yes, this is a seedling from that plant. Again, obvious, so to show people, not a new seedling, as you can tell by the size. The reason I say that is a lot of times, well, people will look at it and go, oh, well, that looks that way because it's the first bloom. And why I say that is sometimes, or a lot of times, when you have a seedling and you don't know what color it is, it's usually about your third bloom. You'll get the true color, because you'll get variances for a while before you get to that pretty standard of that's what it's going to look like. With that being said, obviously temperature, rain, everything can change the color within its spectrum of what it is. But once it's there, that is the color it'll be. So first few blooms may not be it. So just something to keep in mind. Now, obviously the blooms are way up there, so I had to pull one off. So mother plant. Here's the mother plant. Just to show y'all that it's a newer one, so it hadn't fully opened yet. See if I kind of cheat and make it open a little. Mother plant, seedling. Now you can see a lot more pink, not the washed out. Still got some yellow in the center, but you get seedling from this mother plant. This is the seedling. Like I said before, cuttings will be the same. Seedlings can vary, just so you know. And so, again, not much more to say about that. I just wanted to show, A, the size of it. This thing has gotten huge, and just what it looks like. So, mother plant from the Gulf Stream, and this is a seedling of the Gulf Stream. Very similar to others. So again, you could say maybe pollination-wise, cross-pollination of some of your other plants is why some end up looking. But I mean, this one's practically solid pink, and this is a seedling from this plant. So, on to the next. And here it is. Last but definitely not least, once again, seedling from a Mardi Gras. And I'm sorry, Mardi Gras. Gulf Stream. Hope I didn't say Mardi Gras on those other ones. I already pulled one. This one had fallen off. So, but you can see, just so it's on the plant, This is also a seedling from this same plant, just to show the difference. Totally different. It's almost more of a pinwheel like some of our other varieties, but this is a seedling from this Gulfstream. So again, Gulfstream mother plant, seedling. Yeah, a little smaller, but just solid reddish. And not even close. Like sometimes, and you'll find a lot of times, your seedlings will look pretty similar. They might be a little more washed out, but they have, or generally they look a little smaller. They'll look the same flower, but might be smaller. But in this case, I mean, that's a complete different. No one would guess that that came from that. So again, this is just to show you how you can see, again, environment, weather, pollination, however that is. With that being said, and I've said it in other videos, if we want to make a seed pod, and I can make a video about this. I've done it before, but I could always do it again. And you want a seed pod on your plant. You take like a little piece of fishing string or some little string, and you stick it down in a flower and you twirl it just lightly down in that flower. Now, what we've done, whether this works or not, it's just our little experiment. We'll twirl one plant and go to another different Plumeria and twirl that one. Does that do anything? I don't know. In your head, you could see how I could. You're acting like a bee and moving things around, but I don't know. That's where it goes beyond me. We just enjoy growing these, so this is what we do. So yeah, I just want to show the difference of seedlings versus mother plants and the different varieties that you will get. I dropped the other one. So again, 2 seedlings from this mother plant. Gulfstream seedlings from this one. So there it is. So again, quick video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe. Until next time, man, y'all have a great day.